guys, welcome back to the Sawmill. We're down here at the timber frame today, and before this video is over, we're going to turn on this Moulder and run some lumber through it. I got some walnut, maybe some pine. I've been out here all weekend working on this little dust collection system, and it's been a lot of work to hang all this pipe, put the hangers on here, seal up all the joints, and also make about 5 trips to Lowe's and Home Depot because you can't find the right reducer or the right part. Never fails. You get all your stuff together, you're ready to do a project, and you're missing like 2 or 3 things. You go to the store and get them and come back, and you need something else. You spend more time running than you do making sometimes. That's just part of it. But I think I got this hooked up the right way. I don't see any air leaks or nothing. And as soon as I get this other little project done I'm working on today, we're going to turn this Moulder on and see how this works. It should be good though. Famous last words. But I think we'll be in good shape on it. Now before we get this Moulder fired up and start running some boards through it, I got one more little project to finish that I started yesterday, and that is put some lighting in here. This room is just for the Moulder pretty much. It's 12 by 30 and it needs some lights because my goodness, what is it? It's 1 o'clock. It'll be getting dark about 4:30 here in Tennessee this time of year. So I need to get some lights up in here, and I've got some 4-foot LEDs to put on the ceiling. And right now I'm running some conduit up here behind me. That's actually some flexible metal conduit. It's easier than EMT or aluminum or your galvanized stuff. A little bit easier to work with. It also gives you some protection for your wires as well. But I'm putting in an outlet up here at the top, and I've got a switch over by the box, and that shouldn't take me long. And then we'll get the laser out and line up the lights and hang them. And as soon as that's done, we'll get the Moulder going. So this laser sure does make it easier to hang lights. It's really nice. Just put your screw right there on the laser line. Can't go wrong. I just bought that laser the other day. About $150, and it is worth every penny. I'll drop this one more time. I'm going to take a hostage, I'll tell you what. I'm sure somebody will pop up in the comments below and tell me what I'm doing wrong now. Never fails.